Hello everyone, welcome to Protechnoid. So today we'll see how to change margins in Google Docs. Click on the file menu in the top left corner and select the page setup menu here. In the page setup pop-up at the bottom you can see the margins for your Google document, and by default in my Google document the margins are set to 2 and I'm going to change it to 5, so you can see the changes happening. So if you see, the margins are set 5 5 5 in all directions. So if I want to change it again, I can do the same thing by reducing the margins. So this is how we can set margins in Google Docs. I hope you like this video. If you find this video useful, please let me know in the comment section below, and also please like, share and subscribe and share it with your friends. Thank you guys. See you in the next one.